Now I'm reading basically a chapter which is from a new book that I picked up a few days back. This is about business management through good times and bad times, and this is an international read, an international author from US. So he's talking about what is social responsibility. So he says, while there were 15 companies in our list of top management and culturally driven companies, Morgan Stanley stood out to us. So why was this? Because uh, Morgan Stanley basically had the definition of being socially conscious, and they were hell bent on making certain that Stanley was not only good for its investors but also for its people and the employees and associates who were associated to it. And Davis, who worked with Morgan Stanley, says that as we worked to make a bigger and better Stanley for one simple reason, uh, we understood that the core reason was that we wanted to have a bigger pie so that everybody can have more. So this is where I also emphasize a lot. I've been sharing this before, that businesses or designs or entrepreneurship or any organization which is only focused on itself has a very microscopic kind of a role, unless it's a family business or unless you're only just stuck on to doing what you've been doing so far. But when it comes to the expansive role, or when it comes to global, or when it comes to entrepreneurship or design, then what's very important is also to understand that what is it that you're bringing on the table in terms of not being a conscious volunteer, but actually being an organization or a person who's adding to the impact and change positively. And like he said, that you have to kind of add to the bigger pie. So what is it that you're bringing to the people and the country through your project or through your work and stuff? And is it only this whole narrative and pressures of earning money and doing long jobs because you want to benefit and you want to kind of pay your expenses and your bills, and you want to travel and you want to kind of be in the most exotic of places and stuff? So as per this, most organizations or most startups or most designers or most people who work in organizations are also expected to have a social responsibility, where they are saying clearly that um, we wanted the investment community to be voluntary, also working on improving their communities, as a result of which the quality of life for everyone, from employees to neighbors, changed for the better. And we had a recognition that through our foresight and through our continuing devotion, we are all doing good rather than expecting only our heads and other people to do this. So emphasizes a lot that basically, if you want to bring about a change, if you want to kind of go forward, and you're wanting to make a brand grow, then you have to kind of come out of your own me myself thinking and stuff. In India, we've got big brands like Tata, we've got retail, we've got Wills. We also have banks like the Josh Bank. We've got the State Bank, and we have retail brands like Marks and Spencer. We've got the Wills Group, like I said, and we've got lots of other people who are actually behind the scene, not just promoting their own products and not just looking after their own people, but they're contributing in a big way to the whole society and stuff. And we can also see that we have Mark Zuckerberg and we have Elon Musk showing interest in India. This is because everybody's understood that the multi-planetary approach works better. And it's unfortunate that we have also in the Silicon Valley people who are working on AI, but they don't understand the devastation or the catastrophic effect of AI. But if you were to focus on the positive, I was thinking through that, if you were to include AI also as one of the components on in the online world or the offline world, then probably it can also help you to kind of keep a tap on stuff which is community friendly. So it can actually help you deduct abusers, haters, bullying people, negative people, and it can actually help you screen people, and you can have a project around that. And if you were to look at the way Amazon had started, they started as a product and they got into music, books and stuff, but then they got into synergies with the government of US, which they worked with, and they were kind of they brought together this project called Alexa. It is a product called Alexa, which is in every household now in India, abroad. and abroad, and they're basically doing a lot of community work, and they were trying to help the police kind of keep security under tap. But a person like me would kind of question and ask the people of US that, don't you have your own security, and can you not have your own production stuff, and why must security be breached, and why must people log into our houses and stuff, so this is where a concept related to a community was sold by Amazon to the police people and stuff. And I think most of the diplomats and heads even bought the product and kind of bought the concept and stuff. But then I think the court said no to this, and I think it was a sensible decision, because breaching into privacy of people and stuff was not a good bet. And the takeaway from that is that, when you're kind of doing an ideation or you're doing a conceptualization, then around the road of around the road of innovation and kind of improvement of production stuff, you realize that you can actually have synergies with the community, with the society, with its people, with the environmental cause, with the sales, with design, with architecture, with learning, with knowledge and stuff, So I think Morgan Stanley's left us with a good example where they say that they want to have a bigger pie, not for themselves, but kind of also inherit this quotient of social responsibility. So I think it's a good idea to do that. So as you have a weekend, probably you could do this. And very recently, I was in a chamber meeting with the other governments of the world and stuff, and it was really empowering. It was really enriching to know that the focus is not just on politics. The focus is not just on community-led religious or spiritual debates and discussions and stuff, but actually ambassadors of other countries and lots of entrepreneurs and achievers and doers are working very hard to kind of bring up the economy and scale businesses of people and countries and stuff. So it's very important to be a part of such forums and also follow books from international countries, because learning is something which you benefit from and stuff. And when you're doing a thought share, and when you're kind of working on a product or working on a mind share concept or a innovative concept or stuff, all of this kind of helps you groom yourself and think better and know more than what you already do. So I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We are in Delhi NCR for now, and we are available on jastinkapani.im@gmail.com, and the alternate address is jkapani@gmail.com. So you could write into me, and thanks so much for your likes and messages and your tags. And a lot of people have been messaging me in private and stuff, so thanks so much for that. I'm wishing everybody a great week. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm wishing you a great week ahead. And when you attend, when you attend and become a part of international forums, you have so much to learn. Say, for example, I didn't know in Ethiopia they have 13 months and they are 6 or 7 years behind us. So let's say if you went there and you said, I'm from India and I'm from 2023, you'll be actually alien for them, because they're still working backwards and they are still now in 2016 or 2017. And because we've grown up watching international movies where we know that Ethiopia was very similar to Africa, a normal person like me would think or believe it to be very hot, but actually people there are without fans and stuff, and they sleep peacefully, they walk peacefully. And I didn't know that there were so many sites with UNESCO. There's so much of architecture, there's so much of tourism, there's so much of trading happening there. So when you're part and parcel of such forums, this also helps you. So not from a formal point of view, but from a genuine contribution to the nature, to society, to the world of economics and trading and design and stuff. If you are going to participate that way, not looking at TRPs, not looking at marketing and branding alone, then you're going to be having a great result, because you will be more a person of substance than a person who's projecting an image or building an image online or offline. So rather than doing a sales job, it's very important to have the sense of responsibility and accountability towards your people, towards your own families, towards your own community, towards the people who brought you up, towards your bosses, towards your school, college, towards your universities, towards your mentors, towards the people you've grown up with and stuff. Because after all, it's one world, and it's not the responsibility of those people to kind of make it better for you. You got to have your own ownership and stuff. So I leave you on this note. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com and justinekapani.im@gmail.com. You may write into me, and catalogs can be sent and presentations can be shown to you and stuff. And wishing everybody a great week ahead. I'm looking to collaborate and create synergies between design, architecture, expression, and stuff like that. So feel free to write in and stuff. And I'll be more than happy to meet up and connect with you if you're serious about this. So, love and luck. Take care. Bye bye.